God bless you, class. How are you all? Class, are you getting ready? You know you have to come to school from Monday onward, and I'm very anxiously waiting for that day. And today I have come with another chapter. Chapter number 7. This is third lesson. And the topic is the particle model. Class, in the previous two lessons from the same chapter, we had discussed enough about the definition of atom as the smallest particle of element which can exist. And after going through the STM image of an atom, we were clear about in understanding what is an atom. Atom was defined as a sphere, the whole body, which cannot be further split up or divided. And later on, different atomic models were discussed, proposed by Dalton's model, Thomson's model, Rutherford's model, mentioning the presence of ionic bodies in this sphere of atom, then Bohr's atomic model, modern model of atom, and finally we were able to understand the quantum model of atom. All these models were discussing atom as a body, as a sphere of matter, the smallest sphere. Now today we are going to understand what is inside an atom, or what is an atom made up of. Atoms are made up of even smaller particles called subatomic particles: protons, neutrons, electrons. These subatomic particles were not dreamt. They were also studied and explored by the help of different experiments. Now, as we understand that atom is made up of further particles, and two of them are ionized, like electron, negatively ionized, protons, positively ionized, and neutrons, the neutral particle. So these particles are called as subatomic particles. Now, how they are and where they are present inside the atom is a bit discussed in Rutherford model, Bohr's model, and quantum model. So we see another fact is very important, that atom is electrically neutral. In spite of having charged particles in it, atom is electrically neutral. Means the positive charge is equalizing the negative charge, or the number of protons are same to number of electrons in any atom. Like the picture is showing you that negative charge is present around the nucleus in their orbits, is same to that of positive particles, the blue ball, present in the center of the nucleus, center of the atom, which is called as nucleus. So this is how atom is neutral, but the positive ions are equal to negative ions. Rather, positive ions means protons are equal to electrons. Now, atomic number. Atomic number is the characteristic property or the unique property of every element. And you know, atomic number means the number of protons present in the nucleus. Like, if carbon atom has 6 protons in its nucleus, similarly at the same time 6 electrons are present in its orbits. Look, as the 6 protons are equalizing 6 electrons, the carbon atom is electrically neutral. Another example in which 11 protons of sodium are present in its nucleus. 11 electrons are present or distributed around the nucleus in their orbits. Now, how atoms are represented? For our understanding, we made models, like we can use the representation of atoms by balls, and here these balls are representing sulfur atom and the line is showing the bond between them. This is how we try to understand the structure of molecules and chemical species with the help of models. Like this is the model of graphite, in which 6 carbon ring is present and layers are present. You can see 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer. The structure, tetrahedral structure of diamond. The ring structure of buckyballs. So this is how we are just trying to understand how many atoms are present and how they are directed in their structure. Now, today's outcomes of the lesson, you should be able to define what is an atom made up of, what types of subatomic particles are present in the atom, how we define atomic number, and how atoms are represented. Thank you, class. Just go through the topic again and again from the book. Till then you get the real understanding, and watch the video, and with the help of these pictures from the book and from the video lesson, you will be able to write the answers of these questions. Thank you, class. God bless.